mena nenda ici cia ukinyaniria ni koguo andu ni maririe ciana ciao tondu ona ningi njaririo ndirio hau tondu angikorwo nie he kindu ndi tigirite Wanjiku kindu gigwitwo kihiko commitment iyo angikorwo relationship ni uiguaga ni utaragũrũka ni kihiko ati ni mwasainanira uyu tuguikarania nake nginya tugakua
ati till death do us part
atia
because ndaiguira gukitweka ati aikorwo gwe kindu Gen Z metigirite in this town ni kihiko how go pick twingine Deure, but now the question is do you feel gukorwo makirehe that rule ya 60,000 iyo ya kugayania, do you think ni guteithiriria ona in any way gukorwo gicenjia maybe ando youth makorwo magikarania ni ona ta gucenjia anything kana nothing much will change
ona maikurukia nginya ikorwo nginya bude mategotwetha andu bude kabisa
haita works ndio
sababu ni uguikurukia no niye ukundeithia atia tondu tirakenda kuhikanie
si ndio
ona no ngoro togwo jakauga hena andu mena mbia no matirenda kuhika kana kuhikania
alafu hata nashindwa rĩu itaitwa the bride price ni ngiri haya ni mwaga ni 60 ni ngiri 30 rĩu twagitirwo nginya groom price sasa uyu araruta 30 family ni ruta 30 ino ruta 30 so ni kuonyeshana inyuothe ni mwaracaniria wenda kuraciria na we ni wandaciria koguo twathi nyumba no muhaka tugayane wira we umenyaga rathabi indo urithabagia indo Thursday na Friday na nie ngoya Monday na Tuesday na we ugathi wira muthenya muna na we ukaria school fees ndira ni ta
no wathukia makiria
akiriguo muracaniirie kare ndungi
ni uranjira thabi indo atia
muthuri gukinya kuraciria kare ndungi atigetie
ndae kugurire
kuracirio he undu kwithira mundu ciatigetie tondu uri mwiraga atiriri we ndakuraciirie uragire guthabi indo muthenya muthenya kina ndirathabirira
aria ikuma hau
murarua niki na we muraciria
atia riu ri ngiri 30 ukorio gwikirira M-Pesa ndungihothia bia iriete igaikarirwo thi ni athuri na makoya na kuri andu nginya maracagiria atumia nginya na ngiri 10 na gwatura gitio tondu ni mitaratara ya muci ucio koguo ndungicirora in terms ya monetary value ni kiria giagituo riu ri kuma guku na guthi guku ri ni ngiri 60 kana ngiri 30 no the minute mwena uyu marute ngiri 30 na mwena uyu marute ngiri 30 mucio ucio no athira no bottom line ni atiriri thina ti finances thina ni generation area twinayo tondu matirenda uhoro wa kihiko koguo they just come up with another way area riu iguteithiriria andu kuhota guikarania and especially the Gen Z tondu iyo niyo generation millennials ona matire na thina Gen Z hau niho thina ukirukite niguo kwiragwo na gikoyo kiria kiriku hau niho thina uri
kwanza kadoni madikita tiriri au Wajir elders ate wameban hadi nona wale wikira kwa those tents iria lavish tents isio tha kanake hakuna wedding gown hakuna wedding convoys nona menya mundu agikoragwo riu ni akenda gukiruria you know gari kihano nona hakuna ate muhiki agakuo ni ngari imwe na not later than 8:30 p.m.
Ala
yes so nikashindwa sasa kana elders ya nio menaga thina they are the problem tondu the minute waje kuheana rules hana tare kwa kumuciiri hapo si hakuna hamoni kuna kashida kidogo juu niki kira tumoto shira wa muci muna we mugiru waku angata gukorwo ni ena edition ne kwata gwikira ri mbona sikufanyie niki gutuma riu kuigananio ni murarikana high school kuria gwathiaga wakorwo ni juice o mundu wothe gutire juice ukena drinking chocolate gutire sukari ngaki uria kuigananagio gwa ati
na wena mbia cia sukari
exactly unaona hamfeel kama hiyo ni system inakaya high school kuria wajirama
having luxury weddings mukoragwo wikwenda kwa mundu haria muhuko waku ugukinyithia kana committee yaku aria riu magika mohiki na committee no riu guti kuga ati riu andu othe koguo nginya andu mundu angihota gwika uhikinie kuona riu ngiko ndiraheyo rules ici na ndirenda muthenya uyu ndi uthakarie tondu muthenya wakwa and it's a one day thing koguo gakorwo riu ni ukathie tu ati ni undu wa andu mundu ni ethuwe haria gwikinyira waigua ndukuhota gukombora limousine ona to muhaka maundu me bata ni mwanyitithanio atiri maundu mangi ini
no hau ha 60,000 makirora the minute we family share iruteri is a problem kaba makiuge rĩu ona magĩtua ũguo Wajir most of them ni wa religion gani
ni wa Islamu makoragwo make
ni wa Borana ni methagirwo atumia na athuri kana what happens ni ra methagirwo kana ni mundu wa kwiyethera ciana ciao
kuri ona andu methagirwo atumia
yes
wendo ni mwathere
ni magiathirwo nginya giko ni mariathirwo ni magiathirwo nginya uria megwika mohiki but that remains in Wajir batikarehe
acha ni kwambie wetherwo to ati guthii ugaikario thiokero turenda uthie kwa nyina wa Mbogwai ugire cumbi ukore Mbogwa kuu wetherwo to kuu ati ru ugathiukero mwanake uyu ri mwanake uyu no wetherwo no gukinya gutumagwo gatinda ugituma kwa nyina angania kana ukeragwo tiriri ni mwaragia na Maina Maina uriku mam Maina wa nyina Njeri uikaraga na haha no menya ni atwikire loya mwanake mwega na ndari ahikania ndikamutaragia na mwathoma ko no gwetherwo you open your antenna urageria kuonia tiriri ni ru ndu ikarire muno ndirona mundu na Maina na haha na waga uikara uguo Maina ni akuhurio ko wetherwo to kwirwo ati mundu uyu uri
agikorwo wa kwiyethera ni arare mai
wa gwetherwo
but by the way kitambo ndora ihiko ta cikaraga muno tondu ndu ni methagirwo thaici andu makeregeta kuhika piu ndorie Devi na kuhikania watu wamekataa kama nyinyi riu ndio mwarauga kitu jenzi wanaogopa ni kihiko
no waugire ati no muhaka namenya kwina mentality andu makoo nayo ati no muhaka uhikanie no muhaka ugie ciana with a certain age no waugire
it's not a must it's not a must but oria tobetwo from oria Bible ikugite no yagukira na
mwana yugite ko
tajira no likaire tikete theology
procreation niyo to we feel the earth no nai koguo na koro ni ndadvocate ati magia ciana matekuhikania kana ki but that procreation we feel the earth ne tuongerereke unaona no but it's not a must mundu ndakagie mwana atarerete
nimekuihuria uri utarenda ni atiganwo nake
kana nikitware tuyurie thi
ona Biblia o yo no yugite ati marriage to nginya ikorwo yakiria unless ndungihota gwicitiri kiria kiu oko no uhote gwikara we wiki we ikara we wiki
no menya yuga gatiriri marriage is not a must aiko wale mwana gutwika father no nyuma jenzi mutire father mutire manani
father menya ona denomination sistihana ine no Catholic koragwo no horo ucio wa father ni ama Presbyterian mutire handu njiritwo atindaga go agikorwo ndingitwika father to mundu wothe witagwo gutwika father agikorwo ndirenda tamakatigana inani
ni kwanza I'm looking forward kona Gen Z utwikete nan kana father
nini haritu
ai okay kuri onao no aganu uri kureko behind the scenes okay ti yothe kuri ona
nikiwira matetera ni oi taja mmoja weto mwe mtaja mmoja
ndwegwete
okay ndiramenya reke ngwete o kaundu ti ndirenda kuma haria turi no
yes no to sio kama tigituka mafadha na manano kae
airitu thiko ici ni magite tumitugo no maracogotha imwana ndiramenya a true story ndiracogothwo ni a sister
wait sister like muiretu kana sister
wa kanitha Catholic
agigocogotha atia
ai
agigocogotha agikwira I need to get born again my brother kana
mundu mugenda mihere ohoro
asa tutiri yogi twire
mundu arafu ginya nenda-ini I think there are a lot of stories iria ikoretwo igi circulate mundu akauga ati angania date na father koguo nacio marathie maundu-ini macio ri in this generation ri bado to andu ati mundu arathie ku ni undu wa gwitwo kwina andu marenda kana no koro uthiete ni undu wa gwitwo ugacoka ugathie ugacorruptwo yani ngoma na whatever might corrupt you wekora ni ureka tu maundu turia tutagireire
no ndamaka hau ha father ni hau ka gucogothwo ni na ni wetikirire gucogothwo
uyu wage
science no horo cio
inyo ni nyumura runda kanitha ndubona
ni ndinauga ikarasa
but anyway no we are waiting to see but ndramenya kwa agencies magitwika mafather na ma sister mundu agienda na uguo mauga by the way kugia ciana ni kwiyendera kuri andu mendaga guforce andu aria angi guforce maundu thiini wa throat aria angi ati uregete kugia ciana niki no menya ciana ciukaga na maundu macio ni mundu akirera mwana ni afataraga mental stability emotionally you need to be stable ukoro ni urahota kwihota kamuhuko guo mentally wĩrĩndĩ kũrera mwana tondũ hakĩrĩ bata ũrĩkũ ũrehe mwana na ndũrĩ rĩndĩ kũmũrera tondũ onawe meciria maku matirĩ sawa nĩwona koguo tũtige gũforce maũndũ kugaga tondũ wĩ wĩna ciana ciaku ithano rĩu ona mũhiki ũtawaithĩra harĩa ũkonaga mũhiki nĩagwo nĩ gũkona mwana hapana we wagĩa ciana ciaku wewe lea tũgoka tũgatuĩka maanti mũndũ igua nĩ atuĩka rĩndĩ
agathiĩ
akaingĩra kĩharo ĩtiguo yes na ndĩrenda tũingĩre kũrĩa mwena wa Namibia kuna story imekuwa ikitrend hapa mtandaoni ona Kenya actually ni koretwe kiarĩrĩrio uhoro ukoni IUD it's a hormonal intrauterine device ikoragwo ya ni ta contraceptive ire tumagirwa ikondo enda gutuika pregnant na kaundu gaka ni kaundu ga suggestirwo guku thiini wa Kenya ni it was proposed reketho mekirie no ihaha Namibia's president Her Excellency Netumbo Nandi-Ndaitwah ni reject the proposal ya Bill na Melinda Gates Foundation iria makoretwo makienda gu conduct trials ya nyamu iretwo IUD ni hormonal intrauterine device thiini wa bururi wao na onatana thi muno the same thing ni manarehire guku hwitu bururi-ini na ndĩrona like it's not an issue lakini kwene kuria mwena wa Namibia the female president she refused abu tuambieni ni sisi ni jetu iko na shida Lito tuonaga ũru kana nĩ Namibia nĩo mataremenya kana ni ithuĩ
You know what?
Yes.
Wanjiko and Waithera.
Yes.
I am so proud of this lady.
Me
this
too.
president.
Yes.
I am so proud. What the statement iri araheanire arauga that our nation is not a trial of kiri araugire. I'm so very proud.
Yes.
Ona tutigane no horo wa IUD no era introduce ro kou nira propose ro guko tutiramenya kana ni gwitikirwo kana ni kuregwo no ni kurari na itagwa atia nyamu ino irarehirwo ya HIV and AIDS vaccine ino irarehirwo ya HIV and AIDS ni iretikĩrirwo with what criteria
the grounds
iriko
Yes.
na ndiretikĩrwo murimo maroko wa Africa kugereria nyamu ici ciao njeru guku
guinea pigs
niki maga gucigereria kwao niki moke guku Africa so me I'm very proud and I wish other African presidents can learn from this lady.
Yes. Juu sasa hata kwanza aroririe a very good question aroririe atiriri you know Namibia population yao ni around over 3 million matiri ingi yes alafu wathi na kuria roraya you see US wako over 347 million contraceptive ciago ni gutumirwo bururi uriku ni gukume below 3 me around 3 million kana ni kuria me over 300 million sini kwenye wako wengi wako 3 million ile yes na India wako riu kwa gurura magikorwo mago ni gukorwo magetha systems cia ku make sure ni mareyaka nginya in terms ya guo riu gwaka mĩciĩ na kũgĩa ciana ti kwanjia maũndũ ma contraceptives but me sometimes nashindangwa watu maumaga rũraya kwao magoka kũgeria gwitũ nĩkĩ katuoneka katuhana rat ama ni nini juu everything kaũndũ gothe ga trial karehagwo Africa sijaielewa kana ni leaders aitu makoragwo me easy to give in kana ni blackmail ni juu ila tukiuga maybe hena kadil gakihandikire hebia utarihite mundu akamenya sasa hii kitu lazima ukubali na kama ile deal yetu ulipe kana ni gukionekana we are backwards in manner that do Africans mona gwo tuhana monkeys netigo makiugaga magakiona tuhana monkeys tuhana we are very strong we can withstand any trial ni munaona kama ni blackmail ama ni venye we are just guinea pigs kana nina matuko gata Africans mona gaturia ndo aki
what is because of the corrupt systems that we have gutiri uhoro wa kuga haha tianga do we have very corrupt leaders and very corrupt systems.
Yes.
Koguo ri namenya nyamu yo tigitikirwo just a president has just one say.
Yes.
Ya kurega togo president wana bibi araregire. Koguo ri aya aitu ri na tutiramenya kana ni president uhitukagia ka kurega kana andu. They need to pull up their socks. Matige ku introduce anything dangerous to the citizens nyondo wa besha.
Neguo.
Ai ati amani. Ado nimekwendwo that Namibia president etane seminar
ya
all African presidents amathomithie
kana ningi maybe gutongorio ni mutumia it's a plus to tondu nona being a woman and kana being a lady issues ta ishiru nona iyo nemo ya contraceptives na ya issue tere ya mahiu you know do you feel like no it make any difference?
I don't think mambo na gender sidhani.
Ni personal,
no,
ni character.
Kukire na arume athomu nginya gukira atumia haya. We have very many learned men.
Ni character yaku as an individual.
Ni maud.
Yeah.
And a motherly instinct.
Yes.
Ara leave the country with the motherly instinct. Which is no itaige muno.
Yeah, you got it.
Toka na president mutumia no hangage.
Tareke tuone ka twareherwo ya arume family planning ya arume kana nigetikirwo.
Sawa. Haya, tuko tugitika a short break ni ndo technicalities tuthondeke. Oh, iko sawa. Okay, sawa. Haya basi, Namibia, congratulations. I think we need a lot of benchmarking guka kugwo. Tolan maundu maingi tondu this is one of the things togo ni gukorwo tugithoma as a president akinyetie kauga it's a no na akarugama na make that stand ucio ni tugi expect ginya even in our own countries si kila deal inakam guku yukaga guku gwatuika ni yathi through deals imwe ni cituike ni no ona by the way kwĩ imwitagwo ni gukorwo ginya ikihituka office iyo ukarora deal no kauga eno na guthi gutibwo inayo in this country at for now apana na naigwa the trial yago ni ku happen for around 8 years.
8 hey tajira gikorwo it's something dangerous tani undu ura interfere na muturire wa mundu kana ginya uroraga mundu ri ni mioyo eigana umenye marageria ati mararehe family planning nigetha andu matigakiate matigaciarane riu ri ona itokite ati ni yahitukio sawa kana ndiri sawa ri 8 years agikorwo nyamu iyo ina gathina igikorwo iuragite andu aigana atia ni gweciria agikorwo if they really want to try out that thing ni morie volunteers mundu renda kumonyera makamuhe mbeca icio maraheana handu ha gutinda ati mararehera very a whole nation ni methe individuals mundu wina bata na mbeca na ndaramakio kana nyamu iyo ni kumuthira wega kana uru mete acio
to no menya by the no guuga do you know the worst case scenario uria ku hapenaga ni atia ukoraga andu aingi aria mataru no na andu maikara gicagi kuri andu aingi matakorwo na information taru tauni he mundu kuona menya mihi kitu siwezi fanya unaona na ni ukuhata gutara ciana ciaku na your aunts na uncles no mundu ikaraga gicagi system undu waingirio thiini wa bururi ukoraga riu ni kwanja etagwo atia kuna kwanga na hiyo awareness ya kaundu ta kau gukaja kugia andu marathi na kubundithia na kumathibitari ndu ni makirihitwo makaja kuga about ni kwina new way ya gubanga aciari mundu ucio no menya ukimwira ta nurse na kugicagi-ini ri etikitie we koguo we wamwira wamonia there is a new method ona angikorwo kwina complications ingiuka tondu we ndoi ni agwitikia ta nurse koguo akoraga riu rurire rwa na kuria gicagi ni mageragera mathina maingi muno tondu riu trials icio ithiaga na kuu hajui mundu hata unia korora rigo ma ni mado hizi ni mawat sasa mnaanza kutuambia no mundu wa gicagi
ona mundu ucio wa tauni ri na menya no korwo ni ugite aca ni ndikwenda that kind of an IUD na IUD no ni hanaine na other IUDs itiguo koguo ri no gukorwo kwina some agreement or some deal between the doctor or the gynecologist na andu acio iria utangimenya kiria mundu ereirwo we ugecirio urekirwo something as much as you have that knowledge ugeciria ati urekirwo IUD na ri ugakora urekirwo ino iria utarenda no nduramenya koguo nobody is safe gutire mundu wihega nyamu yo yagire kuregwo angikorwo ni kuregwo iregwo guothe no ti ati kuga ati ni retikirwo ciathire ciaikurukire
na mamenya ndiragiriria mirimu no te iria ingi koguo riu no wage kunyitwo ni no wage kunyita mu babies uinuke na murimo so wacha kwanza bururi twina maundu maingi na twina mathina maingi reke twambe tu sort mathina maria twina mo maundu ma kupanga uzazi tushajipanga tuko tu sawa hivyo si ndio
na ma embrace the natural method
tuta withdraw
ereko eyo ndiwa kagadoria David
ni ndikimenya tondu
victim
ati ndungimenya
mimi ndingimenya ndio kana
yes haya riu ri kwina something sad ikoretwo kihappen mwena wa Europe ni gukoretwo na wildfires na igakorwo wildfires claim that life in Spain as intense heat continues nĩ gũkoretwo na wildfires mwena wa Europe, especially in Spain na mimi from my understanding ya wildfires ni irehagwo nĩ maũndũ maingĩ nĩ kũrĩ natural causes na nĩ kũrĩ
climate
natural causes na nginya andũ na watu wamekuwa lose life tondũ nĩ gũkoretwo na mwaki mũnene, the place is very dry nyeki koguo ũngĩgũithia thigara ũguo na menye kana ukorwo nĩ muthiete camping harĩ ũguo nĩ athũngũra mendete maũndũ ma camping mwende mwashe moto muikare hau ũguo mweke ate muenjoy muriganwo nĩ kuhoria mwaki kana in terms of ũguo kwĩ very dry kana kwĩna riũa inene gũkũgie lightning ama kukue na short ya stima nĩ kũgĩaga wildfires na imekuwa iki happen for a while and apparently kinya kũrĩa andũ makoretwo lose lives so hizi vitu unaona kama zina happening huku kwetu ama tu ni mabũrũri ma nanja
nĩ gwĩciria no mabũrũri ma nanja tondũ the climate is very conducive in Africa na ndionaga maũndũ ta maya actually twagĩgũkorwo tũgĩtĩĩra mũno gũkorwo tũikaraga Africa as much as tũrareherwo maũndũ mana kũu western maũndũ mara gũtũthũkia ciongo rĩ gũikara Africa kana gũkorwo we an African it's a blessing tondu maundu hindi ingi turaririo horo wa tsunami turiwona tsunami ikigite Kenya na angĩkorwo nĩ ĩrĩ yekĩka ĩrĩa ĩkĩkĩte Indian Ocean nĩ mĩaka mĩingĩ mũno mĩthiru horo wa wildfires tutirĩ twaigua maundu maya angĩkorwo nĩ mwaki nĩ mũndũ wakia nĩ mũndũ tire thitima ũguo no wakora climate ya kũruta Spain ta thaa kwĩna ũrugarĩ mũingĩ mũno wakorwo kwĩna very fast winds koguo rĩrĩa kwĩna ũrugarĩ ũcio na kwĩna rũhuho rũu rũrathiĩ rĩu ugakora mĩaki na kwĩna nyeki nyũmũ ta icio ugakora rĩu nĩ kũreka mĩaki ĩyo ĩrauma kũndũ ta kũu koguo twagĩrĩirwo maũndũ nĩ marekĩka but na kũu no twĩtĩĩre gũkorwo twĩ Africans
gũkũ nginya thikũ ici hadi snow
uko Nyeri
uko Nyeri watu kuna hadi snow yes juu hii story niliona and it was very sad to ndonire nginya kwina volunteers no sometimes by the other go to some extent ni makoragwo nĩ merete gũteithania mũno ti andũ atũthimo ti gũkũ kaundu gake happen ũguo ũndũ wa mbere before mũndũ oe mũbaibũ wa maĩ oke ateithie ambaga kuoya video ya gwĩkĩra TikTok nona kwina andũ erĩ two particular people marathite go volunteer nginya kuhoria mwaki ũcio and apparently and sadly they lost their lives na kwina ũngĩ ndĩraigua onake nĩ arakuire athiĩte kuhingũra stable cia horses nona kwa venye wanaishi maikaraga na kuma ranches-inĩ nona so akiona stable ya mbarathi nĩ irahĩa akaenda kuziokoa apparently onake arakuĩrĩra kũu but when you wanaka Europe I think ni a matter of safety na kumenya more about kwĩgitĩra na he mũndũ mũnyite but yeye alijitokeza akasema he's one of the people who started the fire ndamenya kana aranjirie from a point of not being intentional tonona rĩu no korwo nĩ ũgwĩthitanga uge nilikuwa na smoke no onai uragũithia kana maybe walikuwa camping rĩu ndamenya kana erarĩ intentional kana ndararĩ intentional but apparently kwĩna mũndũ mũnyite nĩ ũndũ wa gwĩtwara mbere na kuga ararĩ one of the people majitie mwaki na kuna wengine pia wameshikwa rĩu no menya no marakĩka investigations yao but I feel hapo kuna vile people need to be more careful na tugacokereria Ngai ngatho that sisi environment yetu aki
very safe
rĩu gũkũ tũngĩgĩa wildfires nĩguo twĩna mathĩna maingĩ tũngĩanjia kũ
no tikigenda kia ta emergency ta icio no ona okay gite kumenya kana nĩ makiona kameme athũngũ aya no mũndũ ũngĩhota kũmakinyĩria ndũmĩrĩri ĩno nĩ amakinyirie acio marathiĩ kuhonokania magacoka magakora nĩo marakua kana nĩmo marona maũndũ macio moru ngenda kuga rĩrĩa mũndũ arageria gũteithia amba gwĩteithia ye mwene agĩkorwo ũrathiĩ gũteithia mwaki-inĩ make sure we wamba kwĩhonokia we wa mbere you have every safety gears na ngĩkorwo na gũteithia ngĩkorwo nĩ ũrona niĩ rĩ haha nĩ risk ndĩreka you can as well contact andũ acio the 911 rĩrĩa mahũraga na kũu kana andũ aya kũhoria mwaki na ndũgũte muoyo waku ũkĩgeria atĩ nĩ gũteithia as much as you have the humanity in you
nĩguo tũgĩthiĩ break hena mũndũ retwo Watiri Njogu aranjĩra mĩtambo-inĩ Sherry Linet anasema mimi nikapenda show hena ũngĩretwo Vero Sam ndakona mĩtambo-inĩ mwena Patrick Kinu mũrauga mwethĩ-inĩ Iva Wamboi hena Kate Waweru Helena Wamboi ethĩ-inĩ Regina Mugambi harĩa mwena wa Mwea hena ũngĩretwo Joy D Watiri onake mĩtambo-inĩ Rachel Wainaina nginya Patricia wa Mũnyo munasema mwithino wa mitambo ni ngatho tugukorwo tukioya a short break ni turacokereria.
Kameme TV.
People Daily, Kenya's trusted newspaper, is making history as the first daily to go fully digital. By transitioning from print to the PD News app, we are delivering the same exceptional journalism you've relied on for years in a completely new way to experience it. It's news for today and the future. No paper, no waste. Just real-time updates and customizable stories. This is a leap towards innovation, sustainability, and a better experience for you, our reader. Download the PD app now on Play Store and App Store. People Daily. News that moves with you.
Bisha ugikinyaneria kiroto giaku gia kwigwatira wikaro kana ni kugura mucii waku wa mbere kwigithia guthakaria nyumba yaku ona kana kumenya mbeca iria irendekana tabarira eno ihaha gukuhigia kuma buroti na nyumba iria igweta utaro wa andu a mbeca ataramu mwakire wa thiini wa nyumba turakumburira maria mothe urabatara kumenya megie nyumba na migunda kana ni kugura gwaka ona kana kwenda kumenya ino ti tabarira ta iria ingi ni rugendo rwa guthoma kuhiga ona gukenera kuhinga kwa iroto ciaku tanagira na ithui o muthenya wa kiumia ciehanda thaa 2 cia utuku o guku gwa Kameme TV na o ta mutugo o mundu ni murore.
Kuma rĩrĩa bũrũri wagĩire na wĩyathi, maũndũ macenjagia rĩrĩa mũgambo wa mũingĩ wahĩmbĩrio nĩ atongoria na thirikari.
Gĩthomo-inĩ,
ũrĩmi-inĩ,
wonjoria-inĩ,
ũgima wa mwĩrĩ,
o hamwe na ũteti.
Na nĩkĩo gũkũ gwa Kameme TV tũrĩnyitanagĩra nawe o mũthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio thaa 1 nginya thaa 4 cia hwaĩ-inĩ tabarĩra-inĩ ya Baratha ya Kameme TV. Tukirunga uria mawatho mitaratara ona ũteti wagĩrithagia kana kũhotomia mamwe ma maũndũ maya.
Yes, na no tuthiĩte na mbere na tugathiĩ wega. Tuko the last segment of the show. Na tũgĩcokereria nĩ ndĩrona haya na mũndũ ranjĩra etagwo Clement Muigai. Ananiambia thĩinĩ wa mĩtambo na show iko fiti sana. Ndĩrona Njuguna Kachungu pia ndĩrakuona wĩ thĩinĩ wa mĩtambo. Hena Joram Ndongo. Egeithĩka mũno mũndũ wa Ngai. Hena Maggie Endribon onake arauga ekuo thĩinĩ. Paul Nakilas KE. Yeye anasema pete ya 123 million haiwezi mukoragwo mwe stingy. Benson Mwathi ndirakuona, Martin Njoki na ndirakuona wi mitambo-ini, na mundu ungi gwetwo J Maina ona ndirakuona, na Timo wa Naivasha akauga ndimugeithie. Timo wa Naivasha geitheka muno na thenge no ikara mitambo-ini. Na David Kuria anasema pia yeye yuko ndani, anasema yeye ni Wanyeli. Yeye ni Wanyeli kuria kwa Snow. Yes, na Mugo Brian na Peter Kenywa. Hau mwena wanyu andu marauga atia?
Ndarora mwena wa Facebook yakwa ndĩrona mũndũ gwĩtwo na marikite na gĩthũngũ, ndiramenya kana nĩ tondũ nĩ Gen Z kana nĩ ayuthi. No gũcithoma ũguo cihana, ngona mũndũ ũretwo Wanjiko Kifunja arauga atĩ Murkomen dismissing the BBC child sex trade exposes raises serious concerns about accountability and transparency. Mundu ungi uretwo Muthoni wa Kimani arauga ino ni story ya the CAF fines, you know, the 6.5 million ya fine. Arauga ati the hefty fine reflects poorly on Kenyans event organization and security at international matches. Ogi tarona rito Wanjiro Gashoya. Climate change, about now the wildfires.
Yes.
Climate change intensifies as wildfires become more frequent and deadly. Yes, icio nicio ndumiriri ndirona mwena wakwa. Yes.
Waithira
Ngoko mwena gutire undu marauga. Na gutugithia maratugeithia. Ndirona Sara na Neukagirie mwena wa Naivasha arauga show imeweza. Kacoka ngona Vivian Njeri kuma Kihiu Mwere kuria mwena wa Muranga arauga munaka smart sana. Kacoka ngona Humphrey Ngoni mwena wa Studio B arauga wima kabisa. Yeah.
Yes. I have one more kuma to Muraya wa Gitau about the Wajir Elders Cup Bride Prize. Arauga that this could inspire similar reforms in other communities.
Yes, na haha ngurikia na mundu uretwo riri ine. Yes, Mary Hector andikite hello tu hamwe mwana wake Mwangi Kamuri Gaturi anasema tuko ndani sana, anasema show iko dezo na usalimie Ladi, ni Ladi dika ni EID kana ni Ladi Chantel akauga ageithio. Yes, tauni hatu kwa tukihora gaturumo ka muthenya wa muthi na nitwacokia ngatho ni gwikara mitambo-ini ya Kameme TV thini wa Homuka. No tutirikitie, unajua kuna kitu ukishamaliza kufanya no menya nginya mugethi handu ugo muikare ugo murianire na muriere mutikaraga ugo mnakulaga mnapiga story alafu mna katika kidogo, si ndio?
Katika kidogo.
Yes, koguo we muri ni wikara mitambo-ini ya Kameme TV ndacokia ngatho ni gukorwo na ithui kuma thaa iria twanjire thaa 11 cia hwaini nginya theno twete themwe. Ni ngoragwo hara mwena wa tabarira itagwo ririmbuka twanjagia kuma thaa 9 nginya thaa 11 cia hwaini kuma Monday nginya Friday. Kwa hivyo ni ndakwendithia weekend njega ina irathimo ina thayo ya shima biashara na cia bete
162 million
123 million. The money follow you. Ndugafuatwo ni madeli ufuatwo ni besha na ngigacokia ngatho nginya kwi Jack Mbugua na Waithira ni guka kwanyu ni nje mutigiaga mundu mutumire ngeithi mukwenda kugeithia u
ni ndigutuma ngeithi mundu wothe unjui ndakugeithia no ndirikania andu horo wa kirathi kiria thomithagia kia online writing kiria kirari ho ni kirathirire riu twetereire giki kingi kia season 14 from 27th of this month. We ndirenda guthoma online writing. I am here kuria unginyona ngenda-ini ni Jack Mbugua na namba yakwa Facebook, bio-ini, Instagram na TikTok. Koguo wenda kuthoma online writing urutagira wira nyumba ukona othendi yaku ginyira na nitukwaria horo ucio.
Yes. Waithira
nyereke ndicitume tikuingi ona gwa gutumira ngi oko ni uranyona hau uguo na ni unjuwe ndakugeithia muno na no unyone wagwitaku ngenda-ini cia ukinyaniria o ta Waithira. Yes.
Magufuate kundu guothe mera ni ukirietaga content matio gukuo guo magufuate monage maundu maria wikaga kuo
siniona ifo mimi nawakaga moto sana kure
anawakaga moto hadi wanafanya content na Ngoni wa Thwaita
imagine.
Yes, hebu follow her. Imagine kama umfuati unafuata nani, usifuate nyuki peke yake hata hapo utakula asali sawa. Na nikwenda kugeithia my mom, geithia my dad hara mwana wa Goigwa, nisalimie my daughter Rania, nisalimie kina Cecilia, kina Grace, mundu wothe aturorera my BFF Queen Kibera na mundu wothe aturorera the team behind the scene, kina David ndamenya ni umena kuthano, ndamenya Mushaye na hau, ndamenya ni guonete Dorcas, ni guonete Saimo, ni guonete DJ Maureen, no datiga JC etagwo guo we kijana wetagwo ati Ruto Kipto. Yes, mwingine kama unanitoshokea ngatho nigo mwatonyiterera hadi team ya makeup tunasema asante sana Sam, Masi na hadi DJ Giant. Mambo uko na mic? Hauna mic. Haya, Giant hana mic no mukiririkane muthenya wa rucio agakorwo hara mwena wa Mumbatha pale Pirates, ni Pirates ndio ngugirei Pirates Beach hapo hivyo kuni kwa gakoro rucio muthenya wa hwaini. So watu wa Mombasa, watu wa pwani jamani, mjitokeze mkaenjoy. Hata wewe uko hapo nyumbani pia kama hauna fomu, this is your time ukoro kimira tutugane Mombasa rucio, si ndio? Na agakimurikania agakoro you need a t-shirt branded kana unbranded kana polo shirts, unipigie simu mimi nikiwa hapa 0745 300 965. Sheirafu shio hiki niwekea what t-shirt Ashaz nimekea Ashaz shio hiki shiakwaya, nipigie simu, tunafanya branding na tunauza pia zikiwa plain. Tutashokia gatho gaya murathime, but right about now ni Friday, let's talk more music. Nitwa higare unitwariki horoshio, nitwa ici nitwa horia mutigatwaririe ringi DJ Giant, tuchome moto kama pasi. Shukrani.
Don't understand this feeling, but I'm loving the feeling. Will you pause it? This love is personal, that's why I love you personally. This love you give me so magical, that's why I love you so badly. My heart speed and me tato, can you drive me just like immortal? My heart speed and me tato, hope you know moto. My heart speed and me tato,
DJ Giant 254 Moto kama pasi.
Hope in my moto, can we dance to? Baby, just dance. Hold me and dance. Well, I'm wanting to be with you.
Love me now, baby, don't love me later. Trust me, my love is here forever. I'ma hold you closer, we gon' be together. You make my life complete. What the things that you do to me. Oh, baby, my remedy. Yeah, you my fantasy, come and dance with me. And I'm never breaking your heart. Baby, girl, I'm licking your body. Oh, yeah. Come over and do it for daddy. Oh, yeah. I'm licking your body. Oh, yeah. Baby, girl, I'm licking your body.
Baby, girl, I'm licking your body. Oh, yeah. Come over and shake it for daddy. Oh, yeah. I'm liking your body,
baby, can you make your body?
My heart speed and me tato, can you drive me just like immortal? My heart speed and me tato, hope in my moto. My heart speed and me tato, can you drive me just like immortal? My heart speed and me tato, hope in my moto. Can we dance to? Baby, just dance.
Guza jegi gedhinya kunikigonge na baki mini champe shiro ushanisoma banana inafanya baby girl ku sponsor mumpatia ndizi mara tatu kama mgonjwa shirona ni call tupatane saa moja amenipikia fiti kiroma na Johnny Walker mimi niko kwa jeans leather jacket na topa chini ni marabo shiro apendi fosa luku ni safi kondiko inacheza kwa doja na jua gani shughuli before tuanze kubonga rowesa nyoro mimi naigudumera ka sofa manduru zinatoka shirona do shirona ni sponsor shirona do shirona ni sponsor shirona do shirona ni sponsor shirona penda gavenye mimi namchota
tulijuana na Shiro Dunda kuna madhali kuja kanishoneza kusunda nitafute runda naitwa Shiro but usikuje leo niko na upenda mtu ajaze eka is all we know wazee wako na pesa all this gold nimepata sponsor staki kuteseka tangaza kwa soko this guy is gone hapa nimepata green pasture hata kani kisima we nazama paka ni mzee lakini vile inakunywa maziwa we mumita sugar Shiro my mommy the way she loves me mumita sugar Shiro my mommy the way she loves me like a boss
Shirona do Shirona sponsor Shirona do
siku mingi jo
Hello, body tena sapa
10 out of 10 candidate mama joko best na mama ni peng bila dent nyuma pia ko blend alini cheki gram akapenda na kani text anadai kukam then akam ndo ni kam so baby kuja hivo
usiwori baby doll
kuja hivo babe kuja hivo babe kuja hivo so baby kuja hivo musi dance baby girl kuja hivo babe kuja hivo babe kuja hivo
Allah
tunakanjana na machek. Shida zido, shida ni pombe kiwa less. Na tuko zone, na venye bana tuna flex. Wetu si tu mess, let is on my best.
Nasema Ramsa ina bamba, Ramsa ina bamba, Shabra ina bamba, Indo ina bamba. Nasema Ramsa ina bamba, Ramsa ina bamba, Shabra ina bamba, Indo ina bamba.
Hey, Gio Blunt ndo shintu na vuva ni dancer, lyrical doctor ni Buddha. Zimeshika tuko high hivi hivi, macho zimenyanya flight mode easy. Wenda poa na Malawi, fresh Bob Marley, fresh jua matawi ni kiskank misinawi. Koro ndo imenifanya wanati, kasi gode juu ya kuki misitaki. Ni namba 1, bazu neza pulo, poshini yangwai kurubai na makulo. Same thing fully loaded, zote ni alarm, zote ziko box yani zote ni ajab.
Balo kijana baro mwanaingira ndo nikuchape mkacho lenga kona sura na madiambos jambos kam nikupigishe riba za kanairo mambo kujitepa weta tesa meza zero pressure setan kujiweka tuna meta so sinego kwa nature ketchup kupepeta koti napiga bega prakata sakata yonkala rada na kama tena mkemba kichapa lazima na kam tena kichapa sana utazampenga
Ije graba daba alafu cheza doba ikibamba sana una pull up mara 7 uokovu inashika kushinda jaba bila jasho na jibamba niko soba arababa alafu leta raba bad vibes tunarabe dila raba wakisikia isong wajue ni baba wakipiga tiktak wajue ni
takuwate mavijana hapa tunakunywa maji siyo changa hakuna kungangana hizi tunatoka hapa bila jasho bila jasho bila jasho bila jasho hizi tunatoka hapa bila jasho.
I used to watch JBC, Bounty Killer, Fancy 93. Just a black ghetto youth like me. You can be anything that you wanna be, yeah. Where the money there? Tell me where the money there. Where the money there? Show me where the money there. Ghetto youth, them a go for the food in the money mood. Fresh from out of the slum, the youth them gone a road, you know. Happy make a change some way somehow. Action time, so no time to talk. Get a money with target. Out of the slum, the youth them gone a road, you know. Happy make a change some way somehow. It's a very hard to work so hard. They will figure out.
Angie, body. Shake your body. Angie, know you want me. Try me.
Angela, I know you like teasing, I know you like freaking, I know you sound easy. Angela, am I the one scheming, am I the one cheating, or you just don't feel me?
My sexy angel Angela, with you hakuna matata. Kionyeshwa nipa furaha, itabidi tumechanga hiyo sadaka. Akiwalai nimekupata, can't lose you niko rada. Big size GD baby uko sawa. I'm addicted, Angela my dawa. Angie, body. Shake your body. Angie, know you want me. Try me.
Angela, I know you like teasing, I know you like freaking, I know you sound easy. Angela, am I the one scheming, am I the one cheating, or you just don't feel me?
Angie, body. Shake your body. Angie, know you want me. Try me.
Yeah.
Me.
Hey, Angie, why you so enticing? Body look good, body like munchies. Figure here, boom, make it bombastic. Why you look good, but you don't like it? Hey, touch it, lick it, ride it. Central, how to do it private. Niko na be done, animally safi. Mr. Officer, I don't need sirens. Yeah.
Angie, body. Shake your body. Angie, know you want me. Try me.
Angela, I know you like teasing, I know you like freaking, I know you sound easy. Angela, am I the one scheming, am I the one cheating, or you just don't feel me?
Angie, body. Shake your body. Angie, know you want me. Try me.
Najoshaskia kikingia niko class. Huko anga
bado unachukuliwa madam, so anguka nao itabaki meflow na vibe. Anguka nao kako single for now. Ndagi mdagris mteja patikani hadi late night saa 6 ndo taniwai. Nikupin location na nikofana na hii. Sukate call niko chomba ya G. Mimi najua utakuwa irizo release. Acha nikushow kwanza form ya Didon. Nishashika mpua na twende chini kwa chini akiwa hadi na mimi. Sasa tunasikiza Shin City tuna feel free. Teka video na post pale NGC. Jina ni Cantel Kuraps ni talent G. Anguka nao. Anguka nao cheki. Anguka nao twende down low now. Stand up to your feet mikono juu alafu click. Tuliza pesa alafu one leg. Anguka nao one leg. Anguka nao. Anguka nao.
Majambos marinette, wa 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 wa. Do me I do, you see tufanye majambos stimulate. Wa 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 wa. Do me I do, you see tufanye majambos marinette. Wa 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 wa. Do me I do, you see tufanye majambos stimulate. Siku ya madon, siku ya maboss man, watu wanachoku ball. Indele zone mbosha yako choka na kubonga, so piga order ya kitu budo neza sort.
DJ Giant 254.
Baby doll sutoke mimi takusort. Hakuna kubaki home, baby doll. Piga shower twende form. Hakuna kubaki home. Mbona unabaki home? Hakuna kubaki home. Mbona unabaki home? Piga shower twende form.
Leo tuko patina maji, patina wazing, patina wanati wenye wanapenda jing, patina mapeng wenye wanapenda sticker. WhatsApp tulichuja last scene ati chorea uba tunacheza na manyanga na ukicheza cheza na hamademu atakuramba. Napenda phone na pia napenda shada. Usibaki home na unajua kina unanga mafom, unanga mado. Staki ubaki formless na kutolea form. Papagalo na kutembeza kila sehemu ni shimo gani za Kanairo mimi sijano. Hapo penye kumewaka ndo nataka. Faster niko na mbugi ya warasta. Seti ramsha no kate nyama kilo 7. Zimechacha na niko na mangu na bada.
Mbona unabaki home? Baby doll super mimi nitakusort. Mbona unabaki home? Hakuna kubaki home. Baby doll piga shower twende form.
Girl with your money, we no care. Come on girl, we want them near. So if you love the girl them and in the ear, show this loud and clear. Thank God for the girl them. Thank God for the girl them. Woman are the best thing God ever make. All do of them give so much trouble and problem. Thank God for the girl them. Thank God for the girl them. Thank you Father. To the mother, the auntie, the sister, the niece and the daughter. Come step up in the club before me pour one glass of liquor. First thing me want to count how much girl in ya. Search out the club from the bar to the corridor. Look all round the place like foreigner. If no girl ever dey inna where me woulda do. Me no want dey inna if no girl inna too. This a promoter, me rate you, but if the party na full of girl, me nah follow you. Every time when me link with a fi full of girl, 10 to 1 me think big girl dem a ask. If I me think with God the amount of girl we have, I swear to God we bad. We don't care from a girl, we want them near. So if you love the girl dem and inna the ear, show this loud and clear. Thank God for the girl dem. Thank God for the girl dem. Woman are the best thing God ever make. All do of them give so much trouble and problem. Thank God for the girl dem. Thank God for the girl dem. Thank you Father. Mother, auntie, sister, the streets are tag. Inna the road from day to dark. Out your tough like stone and soft. I no joke, no funny, we not laugh. Me pitney now go ball, say that me hungry. Tear out the road from town to country. Every youth, say your money we a go for. 20 on me back, so me mother can't suffer. We say we a hustle, we a hustle, we a hustle. We a hustle, we a hustle, we a hustle. We a hustle, pattern, we a hustle. We a hustle, we a hustle, we a hustle. We a hustle, we a hustle, we a hustle. We a hustle, we a hustle, we a hustle. We a hustle, we a hustle. We a hustle, we a hustle. Flingo, girl. Who don't feel whining on the road? Rock out on the line in the road. All the treasure who don't find in the road. Don't stop signing on the road. Girl, who don't feel whining on the road? Rock out on the line in the road. All the treasure who don't find in the road. Don't stop signing on the road. Girl a jump and split and slip out her leg. Secure a come but you no free for it. Some girl a pose up like a double six. You come fi broke out, girl you live for this. The party shot connect the TARDIS. The party shot connect party shit. The party shit. The party shit. The party shit. Bossa wine, touch your toe. 6:30, the way you know.
Dirty dancing private show. How she a wine so must be a pro. Kude, look how she dash you away. Kude, me want a body there. Kude, me want to take you away. Kude, you make me happy say. Look there, go for ya. Real girl is them no play. Go for ya. Whining the girl them say. Go for ya. Right away no delay. Go find up the X-ray girl wine. And don't stop, girl steady wine. And don't stop, girl steady wine. And don't stop, the way she a wine, she a whining lock. Alright, bend over girl, bad man away. When you a wine, girl, you have to be alert. She chop a ground to a we a go a dirt. Whoa, there goes the blouse and skirt. Brace it, baby, you know where you want me. Look how she bubble on a wine pan Johnny. Me and no dress about a girl, they a draw me. Lick a bus in her red and she on it. Go for ya, real girl is them no play. Go for ya, whining the girl them say. Go for ya, right away no delay. Go wind up the X-ray girl wine. And don't stop, girl steady wine. And don't stop, girl steady wine. And don't stop, the way she a wine, she a whining lock. Bust a wine, touch your toe. 6:30, the way you know. Dirty dancing private show. How she a wine so must be a pro. Kude, go she dash me.
Big L.A. Big silly, big money, big Billy. When I'm sliding in the mall and you hear me, I'll be slicing with these balls so you feel me. Let me rip it up for cuz in the back. Let me flip it, get a buzz in your hat. I'ma tell you how to cause an attack. Timberland ladies love on the track. Love to get the ice pop champagne. Don't forget I used to ride on the train. When I bump it right, call my name. Go crazy in the mall with James. Dumb cat, not ill like me. Bring the women in the chill for free. Let me tell you, girl, don't try me. You better have ID, cause we be up in the club. We be posting the back. In the club, girl, always come to the back. Everybody get our hands strong. Everybody get our hands strong. Everybody get our hands strong. Everybody get our hands strong.
DJ Giant 254, Moto Kama Pasi.
They call me Big L.A. Big silly, big money, big Billy. When I'm sliding in the mall and you hear me, I'll be slicing with these balls so you feel me. Let me rip it up for cuz in the back. Let me flip it, get a buzz in your hat. I'ma tell you how to cause an attack. Timberland ladies love on the track. Love to get the ice pop champagne. Don't forget I used to ride on the train. When I bump it right, call my name. Go crazy in the mall with James.
Batistata, taking the liquor, no chaser. Every guy mad over you, they wanna buy you with the bar. Only wanna have a good time, so you put a new strain in your wrist, yeah. Never want to be alone, so you go dancing with strangers. Looking for love in all the wrong places. You've been running from life, but you cannot hide, baby, let's just face it. Who can you love if you don't love yourself and you feel like it don't matter? You feel like nobody understands the money that you got. Baby, I'm right here when you need to roll one. I will pass you the lighter, even if it breaks my heart. Baby, I'm right here when you need to roll one. I will pass you the lighter, even if it breaks my heart.
DJ Giant 254, Moto Kama Pasi.
Raka, yeah. Batistata, taking the liquor, no chaser. Every guy mad over you.
Kameme TV, Muthegi wa Rũrĩrĩ.
Tahura mbica ũgĩkinyanĩria kĩroto gĩaku gĩa kwĩgwatĩra wĩikaro kana nĩ kũgũra mũciĩ waku wa mbere. kũigithia, gũthakaria nyũmba yaku, ona kana kũmenya mbeca iria irendekana, tabarĩra ĩno ĩhaha gũkũhĩgia. Kuma buroti na nyũmba iria igweta, ũtaro wa andũ a mbeca, ataaramu, mwakĩre wa thĩinĩ wa nyũmba, tũrakumbũrĩra marĩa mothe ũrabatara kũmenya megiĩ nyũmba na mĩgũnda, kana nĩ kũgũra, gwaka, ona kana kwenda kũmenya. Ĩno ti tabarĩra ta iria ingĩ, nĩ rũgendo rwa gũthoma, kũhĩga, ona gũkenera kũhinga kwa iroto ciaku. Tanagĩra na ithuĩ o mũthenya wa kiumia, ciĩhanda thaa 2 cia ũtukũ o gũkũ gwa Kameme TV, na o ta mũtugo, o mũndũ nĩ mũrore.
People Daily, Kenya's trusted newspaper, is making history as the first daily to go fully digital. By transitioning from print to the PD News app, we are delivering the same exceptional journalism you've relied on for years in a completely new way to experience it. It's news for today and the future. No paper, no waste. Just real-time updates and customizable stories. This is a leap towards innovation, sustainability, and a better experience for you, our reader. Download the PD app now on Play